bootable. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to download ISO file of Windows 10. For downloading ISO file, you have to download the Windows 10 tool, something called Media Creation Tool. For this you have to go to this site microsoft.com. I can give you the link in the description box below. So go ahead and download this. After you download, open the Media Creation Tool. Then you have to accept some conditions. Click on accept. After that, you have two options. Then select the create installation media for another PC and hit on next. Then first uncheck this box, that user recommended option for this PC. Then select your architecture, that's 64-bit or 32-bit. My laptop is 64-bit, so I can select the 64-bit. You can check your architecture by going to my computer's properties. So hit on next. After that, select the ISO file and hit on next. Then select the path, click on save, and now the ISO file is downloading. It's 3.8 GB file, so it takes a lot of time. It depends upon your internet speed. So I'll be back when it's downloaded. See, I have here the Windows ISO file. Now let's make the pen drive bootable. For this you have to just download a software called Rufus. I can give you the link of the website, so download the software. The link in the description box below. First download it. It's just 916 KB software. Now just insert a pen drive and open the Rufus software. Then select the device which is your pen drive and click on this DVD icon right here. After clicking here, go ahead and select the ISO file which you have downloaded for Windows 10 and click on open. Then hit start and click OK. It takes a lot of time, depend upon your computer speed. So I am back after this thing is done. So now it's done. Then close the software and remove the pen drive. But before removing, just rename the pen drive as per your preference. I renamed it Windows 10. So rename it. So now your pen drive is been bootable. Let's install the Windows 10 in your laptop or PC. But before installing, you have to keep in mind that you have already been backup your data. So for installing, you have to first shut down the laptop or PC. After that, connect the pen drive and hit the power button. Then press F2 or F12 or F10. Different laptop, different buttons. So now you are in the BIOS. Go to the boot option and select the boot preference. Make the USB on number 1. So for that, use F5 or F6 for moving the USB on top or bottom. Now save and exit the setup. For that, press F10 and save the setup and exit. Now you are booted into the Windows 10 menu. So let's install the Windows 10. Now you see this box. Select your language, time and keyboard input method and hit on next. Then after that, click on install now. Then the setup is starting. Now you have to enter the activation key, but I don't have any activation key for now, so I can click here. Then select your Windows 10 Pro. I can select the Pro version and hit on next. Then click on this checkbox and hit next. Then click on custom install the Windows only, the advanced version, and format the drive. Delete or make partition as you want. Then click on next. Now the Windows is installing. Wait for some time, it takes time as per your computer hard drive speed or SSD speed. Now it's restarting the computer. So finally it started, guys. You have to connect your Wi-Fi network. Let me just connect to my Wi-Fi network. Now I am connected. Get going fast option. Let me skip it for now. Use express setting. Then you have option who owns this PC. Just click on I own it and hit on next. Now you need to log in your Microsoft account. Just enter your email ID and password and hit on sign in. After all that, you can see the getting things ready, and please don't turn off your PC. It's written over here. So finally guys, Windows 10 is started and you know how to install Windows 10 on your laptop or PC. So that's all guys. If you like this video, please like it and share this video with your friends. And yes, if you have any question or queries, put them in the comments down below. And if you like my videos, then subscribe this channel for awesome videos like this. Thanks for watching.